Today we are looking at two budget Oraimo headsets that sit right next to each other in the lineup. We have the Oraimo BoomPop Pro and the BoomPop N. At first glance they look quite similar, but once you use them you realize that they are not actually playing in the same league. I've used both quite enough, so in this video I'll break down where each one shines, where one falls short, and most importantly, which one should you buy. My name is Mr. Roy. This has been all around review, so let's get down to business. Let's start with the price. The BoomPop Pro goes for, while the BoomPop N is priced slightly lower at 42,000 Naira on the official Oraimo website. And just like always, you can use my exclusive coupon code displayed on your screen or in this video description to get yourself 5% off on any Oraimo product. So let's talk about the design and the build. Both of these headsets feel solid for the price, but they are not built the same way. The BoomPop Pro comes with oval shaped ear cup, while the BoomPop N switches to a rounder design. Personally, I prefer the oval cups on the BoomPop Pro. They feel more premium and give you more ear space. For the Pro, it is slightly lighter and more compact, which makes it easier to carry around, and Oraimo even reduced the size of the BoomPop N box compared to the bulky packaging of the Pro. In terms of comfort, both are fine, but I would say the Pro edges with slightly better padding. As for materials, both are made from plastic with matte finishes, but the Pro feels sturdier. The N still feels good with its mix of matte and glossy black. The Pro has a cool swipe control that I once said feels futuristic, but we are back to button control in the N, which feels like a downgrade. The Pro comes with a cool mute feature that lets you mute your mic during calls by covering the ear cups with your palm. Now the N doesn't have this, so tell me, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the button control or the gesture? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Now let's talk about the sound quality. This is the make or break part. The BoomPop Pro was Oraimo's first ANC headset and honestly delivered well for its price. Bass was heavy as expected, treble balanced, and you could even crank the volume up without any distortion. The ANC wasn't groundbreaking, but it worked. Snapping your finger like this, you could barely hear the sound of your finger, but that's not the case for the BoomPop N. On the other hand, the BoomPop N feels like a step back. Yes, it also comes with the 40mm dynamic drivers, but the tuning is kind of different. The bass is there, but once you push the volume past 70%, the treble becomes harsh and disturbing. Oraimo didn't fine-tune this model like they did for the Pro. Now spatial audio is better on the Pro, while it is still sound metallic on the and artificial on the N. For ANC, the Pro is better because it blocks a lot of ambient noise when compared to the N. The N has a newer release date, but in terms of sound quality and ANC, I'll give it to the Pro. So guys, between the BoomPop Pro and the BoomPop N, which one are you buying? You can tell me your thoughts based on what you have read in the comment section. Now, if you ask me, if your priority is sound quality, battery, and stronger ANC, you have to go for the BoomPop Pro. It's slightly more expensive, but you appreciate the better tuning, longer battery life, and even more premium feel. If your priority is portability and maybe a little saving of money, the BoomPop N will still get the job done. It's not actually terrible by any means, but it feels like a toned down version of the Pro if you actually care about audio. Now the Pro just give you that better all-round experience. So guys, so that's it for the comparison. My name is Mr. Roy and this has been all around review. Don't forget, you can grab either of this headset from the official Oraimo website and use my discount code displayed on the screen or in this video description for a 5% off. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.